In this video, we will learn about additional blocks. Apart from these blocks, Scratch also has additional blocks, so you can create more interesting apps. You can also assemble existing blocks into one of your own blocks. In this application, we will also learn to change sprites if we press the spacebar, up arrow, or down arrow key on the keyboard. This is the result of the coding. We're going to make a wizard frog that can do magical things. Create a new Scratch project and name it Wizard Frog. Add one wizard frog sprite. Then add one more sprite in the form of a button. Add the words repeat on the button by changing the button costume. Because this frog is a wizard frog, he can change his body size. In Scratch, we can use the button to start block coding. For example, use these two coding blocks on a frog sprite. In the upper block, if we press the up arrow key on the keyboard, the frog will become bigger. In the lower block, the number is negative, so if we press the down arrow key, the frog will become smaller. Try it. Resize the frog by pressing the up arrow or down arrow on the keyboard. In this application, we will use additional blocks to draw with sprites. To use additional blocks, click at the bottom of the blocks, then select the desired additional blocks. Scratch has many additional blocks, or so-called extensions. To draw with sprites, we choose the pen extension. See, now you will have a pen block that you can use. Now, arrange this coding block in the frog sprite. Here, there is a stamp block that you can use from the pen extension. Run your application by clicking on the frog sprite. This coding block will make the frog move 10 times. Every time it moves, the frog will make a picture of itself, using a stamp. When finished, the last frog will say done. If you click on the last frog sprite, the frog will move again 10 times. After a while, the screen will be full. Let's add this block, so every time the frog sprite is clicked, the frog will return to the center, its size will return to normal, and the screen is cleared of the previous images. Try it now. Now, when the spacebar is pressed, we will make the frog change color and move in the direction of the mouse. On the frog sprite, add this block. Do not combine it with other blocks that already exist. With this block, every 1/5 second, the frog will move, change color, and draw itself with a stamp. This block is the block that we use so that the frog is facing the direction of the mouse pointer. Try it, press spacebar, and move your mouse. The frog will follow your mouse. You can also add the same blocks as before, to bring the frog back to the center, resize to normal, and clear the screen. Try it again. Now every time you press spacebar, the frog will start from center. Now, we're going to use the repeat button sprite. Clicking this button will bring the frog back to the center, resize it to normal, and clear the screen. You do this by using broadcast messages. If the repeat button is clicked, the broadcast message repeats, and we will make the frog hear this broadcast message, then return the frog to the center, resize to normal, and clear the screen. Put this block code in the button sprite to broadcast. And put this block code in the frog sprite to hear the broadcast. Try it, click the repeat button, and the frog will return to its original state.